Good afternoon, friends. My name is Nikhil. Today I'm coming with a different topic, that is question papers of civil service examinations. It is PSC, Public Service Commission's one examination, that is Bengal Civil Service. Okay. So the preliminary questions I want to discuss. Right. So in front of there's a question paper. Okay. I think you know it very well. That is 2020 General Studies preliminary questions papers. Right. So these are the questions. Okay. So what I did, I already written it down. Okay. Not to consume more time. So one by one, I'm just explaining it. Okay. The first question. Let's start. He solved the dash problem. The options are hard, harder, hardiest. Right. So the answer would be he solved the hard problem. Got it. He solved the hard problem. And the next question, that is, I mean to say, genocide. Genocide means murder, suicide, or racial killing. Genocide means murder, suicide, or racial killing. So the options are three. So these are quite similar: murder, suicide, racial killing. These are all crimes. So the right option would be racial killing. Means to kill a whole people, whole population of a community. That is called genocide. Right. So the next questions: babies dress, cried or cries. Okay. So the right option would be babies in the third person plural number. So that is why cry should be used. Okay. Babies cry. Okay. When it feels hungry or something like that. I've not written the whole questions. Okay. So the babies cry. Okay. Next. He will reach home dash at evening. Late, lately, latest. Right. So he will reach home dash at evening. Late, lately, latest. So the right option would be late at evening. Here racial killing. Racial killing. Got it. Babies cry. Okay. He will reach home late at evening. Not lately or latest. Late. Right. So come to the next point. He deals dash cosmetic goods. Cosmetic goods means it's a kind of cosmetic elements or particles or articles, He deals dash. Options are in, of, to. So the right option would be in. He deals in. Deals in means to do any kind of business. Right. Any kinds of businesses. That's called in. Deals in. This is the appropriate preposition. Right. The next option, never dash upon the marginalized. Marginalized means the poor persons, or those who are really poor persons or downtrodden people. That's called marginalized. So the question, never dash upon the marginalized. So the right option would be, the options are look down, look over, and look into. So the correct option would be look down. Look down. So never look down upon the marginalized. Look down upon means hate. You should not, or we should not hate the marginalized people. Okay. The seventh number question is, I was sure I dash meet him. And the options are would, will, shall. Right. So the correct option would be, this is the past tense. Got it. So the correct option would be would, not will. Will is the future tense and shall is also used in the future tense. So the correct option would be would. So here I am writing down would. I was sure I would meet him. right? Then the next question is, what is the time now dash your watch? This question I've already done it in the previous classes. So in the 2020 exam that question already came. Okay, so the options are by, in, with. So the correct option would be by. Okay, so I'm just repeating the whole sentences once again. The first question, he solved the dash problems. Hard, harder, hardiest. So the right option would be, he solved the hard problem. Next, the genocide means dash murder, suicide, racial killing. So the genocide means racial killing. The third option, babies dash cry, cried or cries. So the right option would be babies cry, because baby is the plural number. We know it very well that after the third person singular number we are using s or es. So babies is plural number, so that is why cry is used. Cry is used, not cries. Okay. Next, he will reach home dash at evening. So he will reach home late at evening, not lately at evening or latest at evening. Okay. Next, he deals dash cosmetic goods, in of to. So the right option will be, he deals in cosmetic goods, not of or to. Next, never look down upon the marginalized. The options are look down, look over and look into. The correct option will be look down upon, because look down upon is called the poor persons or the downtrodden persons. Next, I was sure, I dash sure I would meet him. So I was sure that I would meet him, because in the past tense that is why would is used, not will is used or shall is used, because shall and will is the other future tense, but here already mentioned was, so that is why would is used, not will is used. Okay. Next, what is the time now dash your watch? What is the time now by your watch, not in or with. Okay. So next question I have already written down in the copies or in my papers. He cannot cope dash pressure. I have to write it down. I'm just erasing the first upper portion. Okay. The question that is, he cannot cope dash. He cannot cope dash this pressure. Okay, and the options are up, with, in, for. Up, with, in, for. Okay, so the right option would be, he cannot cope with. Right, so he cannot cope with this pressure, means he cannot bear with the all the problems, all the pressures, so he cannot cope with this pressure. Okay, and one was the voice change also there. I'm just voice change also in the questions, that is voice of okay, these questions voice change. Orange tastes sweet. Orange tastes sour. Okay, I'm erasing that. This is the voice change. This orange tastes sour. The options are, the correct questions are would be orange is sour when tested. When tested is the passive form. It is the active voice and it is the passive form. Okay. When it is tested, you can say, but in the options it is not written. Orange tastes sour. So the options are orange is tested so, orange is so after testing, orange is tested also, orange is so when tested. So this is the correct option. Okay. So these are the preliminary question papers of state civil service examination, preliminary examinations of English. So in the next class, it is the preliminary examinations 2020. So in the next class will come another topic. Okay, then so hope you understand, and thanks for your precious time. If I'll commit any mistake, please forgive me. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and Jai Hind.